Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Safra Korea and hit the bell icon for regular notification.
Hello, welcome to Safra Korea's channel. I am her mother Marilyn speaking. Today I am going to make curry of shellfish. And last time in my video I showed you how to make sukha. Today I am showing the curry, and this has been boiled in water. Okay, after 5 minutes of boiling, they open up like this. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to remove the body of the shellfish and throw the other part of it. I'll show you. And these are quite good. See. No, sometimes they don't open, for which you have to take a knife and just slightly slit from here and they'll open. Okay, let me see if there are any like that. I'll show you. Okay, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. I will show the quantity of shellfish, okay, later. This is half teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds. This is 4 to 5 garlic cloves. This is 5 to 6 peppercorns. 1 handful of coconut. This is coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon, 1 large tomato, small tamarind, 1 onion and 4 red chilies. Okay, and this is garam masala I will be putting while cooking, and some salt. Okay, I'll grind this now. This is a little jaggery I will put after the shellfish is cooked, just before bringing it out of the gas. Okay, keep it on high flame because the vessel has to get hot. And this is the ground masala, see the color. So I'll put 4 to 5 teaspoons of coconut oil. And you are aware that I use coconut oil for all my cooking. Of course, even clarified butter, but for fish I prefer to use, any seafood I prefer to use coconut oil. Onions for seasoning. Make it translucent. Not necessary to make it brown. The quantity of shellfish, they don't weigh it in kgs, they just give it according to certain measurements that they have. So this is the quantity. Okay. The onions have become translucent, lost its raw flavor. Now I'll put the ground masala. I can put a little water into this jar to clean it. I can put little more because it is quite thick. Let it come to a boil. Let me put the garam masala. Less than half teaspoon of garam masala. Salt to taste because I have not marinated the shellfish in salt. So 3/4 teaspoon salt. Let it come to a boil. Keep it on high flame only. Masala has come to a boil. I'll put all this. And let it cook for 5 minutes on high flame. You can cover it. And in between keep stirring. Now you can reduce the flame to medium. 5 minutes I said totally. 5 minutes are over. Put this jaggery and let it boil for a minute. Let me check for the salt. Everything is okay, huh? I put it up. Let me cover it. Dear viewers, please give your comments on this and please hit the bell icon and subscribe to my daughter's channel. I'm going to put many more recipes for you. Thank you. So now needs quite hot saffron. I have to hold that in this, finger. Check if the flesh is cooked. Yeah, it is cooked. Which is cooked.